In 1958, over 500 engineers from Shanghai and all over China came to the city of LiuGong with a shared vision. From building its first wheel loader in 1966, LiuGong has evolved to become a world-class company offering a full line of construction machinery. With 5 R&D centers worldwide, 30 overseas offices, 20 manufacturing facilities, and over 17,000 employees, LiuGong has become a truly global company and never stopped striving higher. LiuGong's continued innovation in product technology has propelled the company to the forefront of the world's construction machinery industry. Through our global networks, LiuGong products have been sold in over 170 countries and regions. Ever since our founding in 1958, our guiding mission has always been shaping the future together. For over 60 years, LiuGong has followed the nation's leadership, transforming itself as China opened up to the world. Most recently, in 2020, LiuGong completed its mixed ownership reform project with the support of the Guangxi Autonomous Region and the city of LiuGong. Today, LiuGong is one of the fastest growing CE companies in the world, achieving a compounded annual growth rate of 28% during China's 13th five-year plan. We are committed to our total globalization, total solutions, total intelligence strategy, pursuing cutting-edge technologies in intelligence, new energy, big data, and industrial internet. Tapping into both international and domestic markets, LiuGong is not only shaping itself into a global leader in construction machinery, but also shaping a brighter future for the world.